Welcome back, guys. I got a project Chevelle here. We're gonna take her down the road, see how she runs and drives. Check us out, maplemotors.com. We're always carrying new inventory. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available, and financing and shipping, yes, we have it. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and do so. I post cars every day. Classic American muscle cars for sale. This one here is a running and driving vehicle. You can take this out to dinner, whatever you like, but it is a project. Cosmetically, it needs paint, interior, and as you can see, a lot of trim. All the old trim still on here. But we're gonna be taking her down the road, seeing how she runs and drives. Be sure to share these videos. That actually helps me out quite a bit. And hit that like button. We're gonna take her down the road. Woo! About that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, it's a bit frosty today. We're gonna be looking around the interior. Like I said, project car. Needs carpet, needs door panels, needs a headliner. Got my neck in there. I don't know why they wrapped the visors. They did the same to the back seat. Needs package tray, and of course, you get the gist. But do you think this horn works? We do have gauges under the dash, and it is showing 10,000 miles on the odometer. Starts up pretty good. Believed to be 454 under the hood. Come back as like a truck motor here. The dash on this one is gone. It needs a new dash panel. We don't get too many project cars in, but when we do, I'll put them out here for you and show you everything that it needs. Tach's coming up. It is hooked up. The water temperature gauge is working. Car is nice and warm now. Amp's not working. Oil pressure's up. Gauge is reading out there. We'll try our blower motor. I doubt it works though. It's gonna need that. Let's see if we got wipers. Boom, baby. Wipers work. Horn. Did y'all place your bets yet? No horn on this one. All right, something new I added to the channel here. I'm trying to give away some clothes. If this happens, you're gonna get something here. So you see these cones out here? I leave the gate blocked all the time. If we come back to the lot and there's a car sitting out here in the middle that is a customer or random, I'm gonna give away a t-shirt to the first comment below. See that sign over there? That's our parking lot. If you do come down here, park over there. Otherwise, somebody's getting a free t-shirt. We'll see when we get back to the lot, so make sure and wait to the end of the video. We will find out. About that time, let's hit the road. All right, safety first. We're gonna have to put the seatbelt on. It does have seatbelts, and they actually don't look terrible. Anything I see that this car may need, I will let you know. That's why I make these videos. Look kind of like a robot saying that. Turn signals, let's might as well try them while we're waiting. Left side's not doing anything, right side was not doing anything now. Could be losing connection. I'm on traffic, not supposed to be that heavy today. Power steering seems to be nice and smooth still. Yeah, we need seals and everything. Even the windows, in between the windows, need seals on this one. Speedometer's coming up. The steering's not bad. It's got a little bit of slack in it. It starts turning about there and there. It's not bad at all. It's going straight as an arrow down the road. You think the kick down's hooked up? A little backfire from that carburetor. Kick down is not hooked up on this one. Let's try our brakes before we get too far here. The brakes feel good. Nice and smooth. It's pulling strong. So far so good. The suspension feels good. The Steering's nice. It's going straight down the road. The brakes feel good. Running and driving wise, this thing's checking out pretty good. Like I said, mostly cosmetics. It needs pretty much everything. Yeah. The bench seat is not in bad shape though. The rear is going to have to be replaced. All the door panels, carpet, dash, headliner, paint. What's good about the body is it's not covered up or anything. It's all bare. So when I do my walk around video of it, I'll point out any kind of rust, any issues that you need to know about. And if you're looking for a nice Chevelle to start working on, a nice project car, you'll know everything about it. She is running and driving nice, that's for sure. Ooh, a little tire kicker too. Well, I found my parking lot where we're gonna do some detailed photos, and I'm gonna drive over the camera, let you see the undercarriage real well. You can see more pictures of the undercarriage at my website at maplemotors.com, so be sure to check that out. And if you want to see all the stuff that I use to make these videos, look in that description below. Okay, we're gonna do this, guys. Okay guys, hopefully make it back without my camera dying again. This cold weather is eating these batteries. They are a bit older. I've been through quite a few batteries since I been making these videos, but so far so good. Engine temperature's all right at 200, 190. Oil pressure's right at 20 right now at idle. We're gonna head back to the lot. Hey, remember, I left them cones open. If we get back and somebody's vehicle is parked inside the car lot, the first person to comment about it gets a t-shirt. But you have to share, you have to like, and comment. This car's pretty peppy. I noticed in the parking lot, I was scooting along and I got on it and it just started spinning again, so. Big block's coming out, ain't it? This thing runs and drives really good. Best thing about this car, the body isn't too bad. Just needs paint and all the interior parts and all the trim. I just like the fact that it's all bare and you can see everything. And that it runs so good. This is the road with a suspension test. You're probably gonna hear a bit of rattling. There's no seals around the windows here. Ooh, spinning again. Speed bump. Hear them parts in the trunk too rattling around. And we're right around the corner from the lot. Kind of hope somebody's in there this time. Hasn't happened yet. We'll see in a minute. But I also got 2 more cars to do today, so we got 2 more chances of this happening. Not yet. It has happened quite a bit until I started mentioning this. We have a wide open gate and there's no new people here. All right, I appreciate y'all riding along, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed that test drive. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day. You can check us out at maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And if you share this video, it helps me out greatly. I want to thank y'all in advance for doing that. I got a few more cars I want to get to today, so be on the lookout. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one, guys.